Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming compatibility. The car or adapter must support wireless Android Auto. Enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi on your phone so discovery works. Both are required for pairing and data. Open the Android Auto app and grant location and nearby devices permissions so the car can find the phone. Once done, put the car in accessory or parking mode and set its infotainment to wireless Android Auto pairing. This starts the handshake process and gets you to the next step. You now perform the pairing. Select the car's Bluetooth name on your phone and confirm the PIN displayed on both devices. Once Bluetooth is paired, allow the car to request a Wi-Fi connection. Wi-Fi carries the Android Auto screen data, so accept this to enable a stable high-bandwidth link. Make the phone the primary media device and permit notifications for navigation and messaging. Once paired, the system will remember this connection and switch automatically. So make sure to test finish by testing core functions. Launch navigation, play audio, and use Voice Assistant to confirm responsiveness. If the screen fails to show or audio routes incorrectly, reboot your phone and the car's head unit, because transient glitches often clear with a restart. If drops persist, toggle Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then forget and repair the car from your phone settings to reset pairing keys. Make sure Android Auto and your car's firmware stay updated. And if you use an adapter, choose a reputable model to avoid compatibility issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.